What's going on, everybody? Me and Briggs fixing to drop into Warzone. See if we can catch us a W. Y'all tag along.
Let's go.
Corner, like you know someone's there. Yeah, it's good you see them in frame before they see you. By the way it loads the character,
Why do you look ghostly white?
Ghost. I was thinking the same thing.
Man. Yikes.
I said we just jump. Gonna head towards that cliff.
Alright.
Check the radio. I don't know how to play this.
It's alright, I got you.
Pick up the gun.
What the? Oh wait, I'm not gonna use that. I don't know what happened. Thanks, sir. If he was down before. He's over there.
You got a gun, man? Hey, you need a gun? Oh, you got a gun?
What you got? We're good, we're good. We got somebody above us. Time to get busy.
Dude, why is this like the only gun in the game right now?
Alright. You situated?
Yeah, I don't really know. Oh yeah, well, I think we're supposed to be up here. Someone's looking at us from behind.
Yeah, yeah. I see him, I see him. Two of them in there, in the building. One to our left. One is down though. Alright, I'm in trouble.
Car coming.
Shit.
Kill me.
Yep. Oh no. They didn't see you. Thank you, sir. You wanna rush him? One on the roof.
No window. I downed him. That's good.
Nice. Alright. We got
Played up. Got played.
two that just.
Dude, he was out of ammo. Poor guy.
Lodi up there.
Alright, you wanna try to catch it? Oh, dude, I don't know. That's gonna be in the mess.
Oh shit, my bad.
Someone's here.
Yeah, I hear him. Where you at?
I'm right here in the same room as you.
Oh, good.
They're upstairs.
Yeah. I see him.
Was he up top? TB
Yeah.
top up here?
Could be top. Oh gosh. He may have went back up.
here.
Hostile fire.
Down him. Good deal. Good shit. Good shit. Alright, we got
Good
someone
shit.
looking at us.
Alright, I went back in. Ammo, for sure.
I don't know what he is. I don't know what this is.
Watch your left, watch your left.
We got a shitload of people down here below us on the left.
Yeah. Hey, you need parts?
You know,
You
it
have
wouldn't
enough?
be a bad idea.
Alright.
I'm not supposed to protect the radio. That's what we're supposed to be doing.
There you go. I got some plates over here for you.
Shit, almost fell off. Ah, damn, radio left.
Oh man. Oh.
Where's he at?
He's on the other side. In the building. We got one on the roof. We got two on the roof. Crossing us easy. No. Right in front of us. We got one on the stairwell. You see him?
Yeah, right in here.
We got one up there.
Yeah, I'm out of ammo. I need some ammo.
Yeah, so do I.
Oh,
Ooh. I got lit up.
yep, I'm out of ammo.
Alright. I'm about to go back inside.
Ah, well.
Frag on the way.
Alright, Briggs, clip it. Clip it. It's going in montage. Here, homie. Here. Try that. Oh, homie, you gonna give me a knife for that? That's how it is?
I'm taking fire!
Hello, motherfucker.
Get him, son.
Does anyone need help?
Behind us, behind us.
Sorry about
Look at
that.
that. What you think about that gun?
Hey, that gun's pretty sweet, pretty sweet. Which one is it?
The bullfrog.
Bullfrog.
Yeah.
See, I wish I knew guns on this game. Hey man, we're getting busy for a minute.
Oh shit, landmine. Oh damn. I think man got killed by his own thing.
That's unfortunate. We got somebody jumping into our left. Oh, yeah, 2 on our left. 1 in the building. See him?
Yep.
Oh, behind us, behind us, behind us, behind us.
Oh dude, no. I'm surrounded. Oh no. That's the shit I hate. When we get a
We're going all the
squad
way over
wipe.
there.
I mean, we can land anywhere. Just gonna head that way. There's a truck heading right here. Go after them.
Yeah, let's do it.
Got down one.
That's the kill.
Sweet. What's up?
Poor guy. You didn't even ask for that.
Wanna take truck?
Yeah, let's do it.
You drive.
Alright.
Here's the Bruce.
Yeah,
Here.
oh. Oh my god.
Hey, we got team back here. Got team back here. Yep, they're clustering us. I want to say they're in that building.
Alright, I'm gonna try to get another position on it. I'm gonna go right.
It was a single guy, so I don't know where he's at.
We got. Oh, never mind. I'm gonna
We'll
push.
move.
Push right,
Yeah,
push
move.
right.
Oh, he's gonna be hiding.
Oh, yeah, he's got the advantage right now.
Oh, there he is. He's down.
Good wait.
Oh, with that cluster.
Yeah, let's get it. Just get over there.
Here's his body. Yeah.
Man. What's he
Dude,
doing all the way out here by himself?
what's going on, man? Is David or PD? Is his skill base making it hard? Because this one here seems easy.
You think PD is screwing us?
I think PD's a hidden goat.
Yeah, he could be with that shotgun, you know?
That shotgun probably gets it. Maybe he's onto something.
Has he used it at all?
You know, I've never heard him shoot it.
Same. Oh, man, but he's all about it, you know?
No offense to PD.
Yeah, we love you, PD.
Nothing but love.
Sorry you can't be with us. That's something. Oh, shoot, we got somebody shooting at us.
You know around about where?
Nope. I just heard a whistle by my ear. It brushed my ear hairs.
Oh, he's not the same guy at the body.
We got some action behind us, though.
I mean, you want to run towards it, or you want to run away from it?
I want to run towards it.
Let's get it.
Oh, yeah. He's so much faster than me.
You know.
Got that money hanging out of that bag.
Slide canceling, my guy.
It just looks like I'm crouching. I run out of stamina.
Yep, there's a team here. To the right of us. Hey, did someone just take him out, though?
Yeah,
Who took him out?
He was taken out. No idea.
There's a sniper somewhere. I didn't even hear the shot.
We got one coming in. Oh. You know what? I don't know where that is.
Dude got lit up, though. I bet he's down in here.
You think so?
Probably not. I don't see nobody. Got somebody over there, though.
Enemies in the area!
You want it?
Nah, you got it.
I don't see it.
Oh, well. Must be gone.
What I gotta do to get one of those planes and really get busy? Is that somebody? Oh, he's in the tower right now. You got a sniper?
Yep.
Yep. He got
I have
tagged
one.
on the forehead.
Ooh, kill him! Ooh, kill him!
Down. Haha, got him.
Let's go. Oh, we got a vehicle behind us. See him?
No.
Right there.
Oh, yep. Gotta draw him to us. Nah,
No, he's running.
He don't want the gas.
No, he didn't. Oh, we got somebody down here. Ah. He's in the firefight right now. Hit.
Then I shot again and I missed again.
Oh, he's over here in the hangar. okay. I'm sorry. Jeez. Car again.
Yeah, we got a close terminal.
Target
Push to this
marked.
guy.
Send it.
How does one use that?
Press right on the D-pad.
On the
And then
D-pad?
it'll
Alright, we
pull
got two Jeeps. I'm assuming 2 teams. One is down.
Can you mark
Um,
that one? No, I
See
can't.
ya.
Got you. Yep.
is that right on the D-pad?
Yep. And then you aim it, and then you know. He's
Got
leaving.
it. Yeah.
Alright, man.
He's coming towards us.
Is he?
Oh yeah, he's coming.
No, don't let him hit you.
Oh yeah, good there.
Oh shit, he jumped out, I don't know where he's at.
Oh, we got one. We got one. Rambo looking dude over here.
Where's he at?
Target down.
Nice. Oh, shoot, never mind. Just kidding. I thought you got him. He's laying down to the left of the tree. There you go. Good work. He's behind the Jeep. To the left of the Jeep. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about.
Get wrecked.
Let's go. Oh, gosh.
Yeah, I blew it up.
Oh, okay. I'll take that money. Thanks.
Appreciate it.
Oh, yeah. You got plates? You got enough?
Yeah.
I got 5 over here. How do I put them in faster?
What you mean? Like not having to hold it down for each plate?
Yeah.
You gotta go into settings.
Oh, okay. It would be all of that for some plates, you know, but you don't have to worry about it on breakpoint.
Yeah, you don't gotta worry about people on breakpoint. You just gotta lay down and roll around in the mud.
Oh wow, okay. They don't like that. At least you can.
Yeah, I mean, I guess you got a point there.
Oh, no. What's he doing? What's he doing? Does anyone need this? What is this? Oh yeah, thanks.
Yeah, man.
You're a stand-up guy. You know that, Wheeze?
I try to be.
Watch. This is the end of our journey right here. Feel like we're out in the open.
Yeah, especially with me calling this helicopter in. We're gonna put our money in this helicopter, but we're gonna be getting shot at the entire time.
No problem. That's what I'm here for. Oh shoot! I was down.
Yeah, I got him.
Yes, sir. Oh, I want to let me spectate. You got my money, right?
Yep.
Okay. I need to change my loading.
We're not gonna win this one, but we're definitely doing better.
No, I think we'll win this one. We'll take this one all the way for sure.
I'm pretty sure we're in like last place, my guy.
No, really?
Yeah, man.
I really thought we were doing a lot better than that.
Wait.
Oh, we
this
got
is-
somebody?
This is all the one we clip money.
Him?
Yep.
Shoot, you pushed. I left you completely.
Got him.
Nice. Out of here, kid.
It's gameplay. Clip it. Clip it. That's all I gotta
Clip
say
it.
is just clip it.
Clipper Brigz over here. That's my nickname. Cool. Thanks. What is this?
That's a kill.
You know,
Oh man. Dude, can we?
yeah, man.
Is it a fighter helicopter?
Nah. They don't really have a fight. They have miniguns on the side of them.
Wow. You know what game you can play with fighter helicopters in?
One that sucks, probably. It's like super unrealistic.
I don't know about unrealistic. It has a realistic function on the game itself. That's all I'm saying. So. Oh shoot! Snipe!
Yep, got hit.
I got tagged.
I didn't get hit, but I heard it. I felt it, I heard it.
I'm just watching that helicopter. That's how that guy got.
I wish I knew where it was.
Me too. You're a vehicle.
Dude, hit me. Where you at?
Oh, right here, right here.
No, I'm trying to get this sniper to hit me. Oh, you got him. Well, don't just mark him. Blow him up.
Wow, that took longer than I wanted it to.
Are you killing? That was rude.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, we got one over here. We got one over here. Scared. Scared. He's fitted.
Tagged him, but didn't get him. Hey, yo, he's right here.
Get him.
No.
Oh, man.
I dropped that one.
I'm just playing. Nine kills? You got 9 kills? Gosh, I thought I had more than that. I'm not gonna lie, I thought I was the one with the 9 kills. Interesting. Dude tried to kill me with a rocket launcher from like 3 feet away.
Noob.
What a noob.
Dude.
Yeah, looks like this Wheeze guy has some pretty solid content on YouTube.
You know, I've been looking at his stuff.
Weasel 7.
I've been looking him up, and man, to be honest, his thumbnails are fire.
Some of those are pretty sick. PD in the last video was just hilarious.
PD?
Yo. Oh my god, dude. Oh.
You wanna go to peek?
Let's go to peek. Wait, where's peek?
Right here, TPD top.
Now watch me get this kill out of the sky. I'm gonna get my gun.
Oh shit.
Oh, you got one on me? I guess you knew that.
Got the helicopter trying to get me.
Oh my god. What happened?
Helicopter got you,
down.
probably.
Oh,
Yep, coming for me now.
that's not an NPC?
No.
Oh,
Crawl down in here in the hole.
he lost me. That's crazy. Alright, I'm coming back. Don't worry about it.
He's gone.
You're not gonna disrespect me like that.
Request recon flyover.
Hey, we got the king down here, my guy.
I'm not down there yet.
Oh,
No. I'm gonna get a gondola ride, alright?
oh crap. What? Didn't we get a notice for the cluster? For the airstrike? Oh,
No.
that's
Wow.
on Call of Duty.
You cannot grab the rope while you're falling. Just so we're clear.
Oh, you can't be falling, free falling and grab it.
Yeah, no, you're definitely dying. I mean, I looked
Speaking
it
from
up.
experience.
No, I looked it up. You know, it didn't really happen. I just before I made that decision.
Oh, okay. Real quick with the Google, huh?
Yeah. Hey Google. Hey, where are you? There's no action over here, man. I'm kind of upset. But you're all the way over there. Oh
I
my
don't even know
god.
where you're at. Oh, you're right there. Dude,
Don't
yeah,
worry,
you're
I'm coming.
so tiny on the mini map.
Don't worry, I'm on the way.
You can't be that far because the ocean's like right there.
Dude, I'm super far. Ooh, I'll take that. Ooh, I'll take both of these plates. Thanks. Is that another one waiting for me over there? Oh yeah. Let me grab that real quick. Ooh, and some money. I'll grab all of this. Thanks. More monies.
I told PD to send me some headshots for thumbnails and stuff.
Yeah.
He seriously sent me the same like pose like 4 times and then one like at a different angle. And all the ones that he sent me, he had no expression on his face.
Come on, man. Dude, that one last. I got somebody to my right. I'm definitely taking this guy out. He looks like a scrub. Look at this idiot up here in this house. Yep, I got him. He's on me. What do we got here? Specialist bonus? Okay.
Oh yeah, man, take that. That's dope.
Got a sniper rifle? Okay, don't mind if I do. Bolt action? Okay. Oh, nice. Oh gosh.
Don't let it drive.
Behind it. Look over my shoulder. That's not on me. Next time you want to stream some Breakpoint?
Nobody likes Breakpoint. Does
Pretty sure a
anybody,
lot of
does anybody actually like dead ass stream Breakpoint?
I don't know if it's streamed, you know. Oh, yeah, I know plenty of people play it. See, the thing about Breakpoint is, it's almost not as exciting to stream.
It's not as, yeah, I know, it's so fake it don't even like play good.
It's not that as fake, alright? It's a much slower pace, I'll say that.
It don't put you in the terrors that this thing does. This thing will have you having a heart attack.
See, this game is nothing but adrenaline dump the entire time. Oh gosh. But breakpoint. It's more strategic. You gotta, you know, you gotta be more aware and more. What am I trying to say here?
I don't know.
You just really gotta know what you're doing. It's for those who have more of a strategic mind, if you will. I'm not saying that this game doesn't require some type of strat, but teamwork is heavily implied in that game. Heavily.
You know who you sound like?
When it
The dude on TikTok that I say you look like.
My name, Joshua Henderson.
Alright, bro. Alright, bro. We gonna
Never
holler.
forget that. May my name be the last thing you ever hear.
Request recon flyover.
Boy, who is this guy? I want to know.
The guy that says, I like white women, the thick kind.
No way, man. Dude. No way.
The Johnny Bravo looking dude.
Why? Why do I look like that guy? Oh.
Dude, I feel like I'm just like storming these houses right now.
I feel like I'm not. I'm playing it more so like I would play Breakpoint. Oh shoot, is that somebody? Oh no, okay, somebody no. I thought that was somebody's dome. But it's just a pole. You know, with all this money, I'm thinking that we're rich, but we're probably not.
Request recon flyover. Does anyone need this?
Get after it.
Oh yeah, here's a zip line. We could
Moving.
get out of here, go find some fights.
Get after it.
I'm coming back out. Let's head
Wait,
let's head this way.
Moving.
Alright. Alright, let's get out of here.
Oh wow. Like super far away from me.
Oh yeah. Would you say you're pretty good at sniping?
Whoa, that was weird. I have my moments.
Okay.
It really depends on the lobby, I think. Like
Where's
last
the
lobby.
scrubs lobby? That's what I need.
Dude, you know, I swear. Like, it seems like some of the best players
Request recon flyover.
get the easiest lobbies.
Some of the, you know, average Joes like ourselves get like the sweats.
Dude, yes. Couldn't have said it better.
I'm just waiting for that day where I hear Tim the Batman.
Yeah, I don't think we're ever really here. Alright, we got somebody coming.
Alright, I'm ready for it.
Up here.
Tell them to come.
Enemies in the area.
Up there where the pig is.
LMG here.
Okay.
I'm gonna go around.
I see him, I see him, I see him. No, they're leaving.
Ping him. I
I'm
got a
about to-
sniper.
Oh, you got two on it? Can I hold my breath?
Yeah, you actually can.
I just want to do that. Because on breakpoint, you just slowly let go of the left trigger.
Oh, you just hold down the right analog stick, like press down on it.
Bro, it's been too long since I've played a Call of Duty game. Like, as soon as you said that, I'm like, duh.
Dude, you remember the old days? We used to kill it.
I used to kill it.
You wish you did.
That was good times, bro. Hey, where'd they go? That's what I'm trying to figure out.
They went up like that way. I don't know why I mark it like that. Like there's enemies there.
Okay, just hack something. Oh wait.
I'm gonna move my way back up to peak, I guess.
Just hack it to make a deposit at the bank.
Have nothing to lose.
Man, you over here putting in some work on these rocks.
It's hard doing those thumbnails and stuff though, with like David. Like we're easy because we're
big dome.
Dude, no. Just because we're easy to do because the helmets, you know, our identity is concealed.
Oh, you're talking about that fugly Muggless guy. Sorry, Judy, I love you, bro.
We got somebody
that helicopter that scorched me
up there. Oh, someone's running right here.
Okay. You just... Can I shoot that helicopter?
No.
Man, this thing was quiet. I see him.
Mark him, because I'm up, what's up here with him.
Oh, he's at the very top.
Tippy top?
Tippy top.
I'm fixing to zip up there and see what I can cause. Nope, he just zipped down. Yeah, right here.
No. You know, you left like a good bit.
Dude just straight blasted my forehead.
I see him.
Well, why don't you shoot at him? What are you waiting for, an invitation?
Yeah, man.
Get in there!
Where's he at? See him?
I'm on the screen.
I see him. Man.
Yeah, I'm fixing to die again, probably.
No, don't die again, bro. I got your 6.
Yep.
Enemy dropping into the air.
Ah, you bastards. The whole team up here. There's a
whole team? There's a whole team? Oh my god.
There's one.
Oh my god.
Dude, how you just gonna float by me like that?
You said there's a whole team, so I did. I was going head first until you said a whole team.
Oh, dude, you almost fell to your death.
So I don't have the facilities for that. Oh man. You know, I was ready to fight to the death.
You got one right there?
Sometimes you have to think rationally, you know?
Mark one, he's right there in front of you.
I see him. He won't get past me, that's for sure. Broke his armor.
Where's he at? Oh,
Down him. Oh,
is he zipped up?
Oh yeah. Yeah, he zipped up, but I downed him.
Is he still down?
I don't know, probably not. His teammate was up there.
Ah, shit. Well, I'm running up here. Maybe.
Don't do it, bro.
Dude, what the fuck?
Alright,
Yep. Whole team.
No, come back, bro.
Just run.
Just that one team.
Dude, we're so far away.
Yeah, no, right?
There's no hope.
Oh, there's hope.
How are you way down
Hop
there?
in the whip. You know, that's an excellent question. I'm about to...
Dude, I got someone right here in front of me.
Let's go. Do your thing.
I'm gonna follow him. Oh, no. He's gonna try to hit that one.
Don't do it. Don't let him. Wait.
No! Dude, I fell to my death. Dude,
Wheeze.
I just got the chin of the tap man fucking curse.
Wheeze.
Fall damage. Dude, I don't want to hear it.
Where you at?
I'm dead. I'm way up above you.
Oh. Oh.
I'll land back on my dead body.
Bro.
Hold on. Yep, someone's
Oh
still here.
god. Get in there. Get in there.
Yeah.
Oh, he's on me. He's on me. Yeah, I got him. Don't worry.
Yeah, man, you did good. You did good. Dude, I can't get in.
Thanks, thanks.
I like how you use the bullfrog and everything.
Yeah. Should it's called a bullfrog or a bullpup?
Bullpump, maybe. Something like that.
Oh! No.
Are we floating right now?
No, man, he's driving good. Yeah, going on again.
Game's almost over.
Get this Bronco out of my way. Oh man. Good. So we won? Third
No,
place?
man. Nope. Nope. Not even third.
What? Fourth?
I'm gonna pull us out. We're gonna do something else.
Wow, 0 kills.
0 kills? But we'll shoot at something here. Thanks everybody for tuning in. If you like the content, like, subscribe. We'll see y'all next time. Peace.